back to another video, everybody. In our today's video, we are learning the poem Childhood by Marcus Nathan. It is a very emotional account of the poet as the poet loses his childhood. Okay, let's start with the poem. When did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography, and therefore could not be was that day? When did my childhood go? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be? They talked so love and preached of love, but did not act so lovingly. Was that the day? When did my childhood go? Was it when I found out my mind was really mine, to use whichever way I choose, producing thoughts that were not those of other people, but my own and mine alone? Was that the day? Where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten place that's hidden in an infant's face. That's all I know. Okay, so that's a pretty poem, a very beautiful poem, which we are now going to talk about. Okay, so yeah, all right, let's start with the poem. The poet seemed to be puzzled. Okay, the poem seemed to be puzzled about the loss of his childhood. So the poet is very in a confused state, okay, because of the loss of his childhood. It is natural in the process of growing up, ठीक है? It is natural in the process of growing up to leave your own childhood. Still, the poet tries to find an answer to his two queries. When did his childhood go? And where did his childhood go? So he wanted to answer two of his questions. When did my childhood go? And the second, where did my childhood go? Okay, so when did my childhood go, and why was that the day, which means where did his childhood go? Why का answer नहीं है, because in the process of growing up you will eventually have to lose your childhood, right? So why का तो answer ही नहीं है. Now here, was, when, this is anaphora, the same word, anaphora. Okay, now next, the time, alliteration, okay, alliteration. Hell and heaven, antithesis, एक दूसरे से opposite, antithesis. Then this is rationalization, rationalize कर रहे हैं. Okay, rationalization, antithesis, alliteration, anaphora, these. Okay, all right. Now, when did my childhood go? तो पहला क्वेश्चन जिससे पोम शुरू हो रही है वो है कि मेरा चाइल्डहुड कहाँ गया. When did my childhood go? Okay. Second question, was it the day? Which was the day? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? यानी क्या मेरा चाइल्डहुड उस दिन चला गया था जिस दिन मैं 11 का टर्न हुआ था, या फिर ये उस दिन हुआ था जब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि हेल और हेवन जो है वो ज्योग्राफी में नहीं दिखाए जा सकते. ठीक है, या फिर ये कब हुआ था, ये क्वेश्चन है मेरा. ठीक है, सो the first possibility of the time of departure of his childhood, see how prettily it's described, okay, relates to the age when he had completed the age of 11. So poet had a doubt in his heart that it might be the departure of my childhood, might be the day I turned 11. Okay, it was then that he developed a power of understanding. उसी दिन था कि उनको एक power of understanding समझ आई, that he became aware of hell and heaven could not be found in geography. और उनको ये भी पता चला कि hell और heaven जो हैं वो तो geography में मिल ही नहीं सकते. Since they could not be located anywhere in the world, he concluded that they did not exist. तो उन्होंने कंक्लूड करा, पोएट ने कंक्लूड करा कि हो सकता है कि ये एग्जिस्ट ही ना करते हो, उनको ऐसा लगने लग गया. He thus reached a logical conclusion based on his reasoning power. अब उन्होंने क्या ट्राई करा, उन्होंने एक लॉजिकल कंक्लूजन पर आने का ट्राई करा. अब वो सेकेंड पैराग्राफ में जाते हैं, वो भी यही इसी से ही शुरू करते हैं. When did my childhood go? कब गया मेरा childhood? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seem to be? यानी या तो ये उस दिन था जिस दिन मुझे पता चला कि एडल्ट्स वैसे नहीं होते जैसा वो हमें पोर्ट्रे करते हैं. वो हमेशा बात तो लव की करते हैं लेकिन इतने लविंगली एक्ट नहीं करते. क्या उस दिन हुआ था ये? चलो फाइंड आउट करते हैं. सो the second possibility which relates to the departure of the childhood according to poet was the time when he realized the hypocrisy of adults, that adults were hypocritic in nature. Okay, they were not at all the way they seemed to be. They talked of love and gave advice of love but did not act so lovingly. इतने lovingly पूरी एडवाइस देते हैं, सब करते हैं, लेकिन इतने लविंगली काम ही नहीं करते, इतने लविंगली बात ही नहीं करते. अगले पैराग्राफ में ऑथर कहते हैं, When did my childhood go? Was it when I found out my mind was really mine? यानी क्या तो ये उस दिन हुआ जिस दिन मुझे पता चल गया भाई मैं तो अपने हिसाब से अपने माइंड को चला सकता हूँ और यूज कर सकता हूँ, या फिर ये उस दिन हुआ जब मैंने दूसरों के थॉट्स को प्रोड्यूस करना नहीं बंद कर दिया और मैंने अपने थॉट्स जो हैं वो प्रोड्यूस करने शुरू कर दिए. या तो ये उस दिन हुआ. ठीक है, फिर वो कहते हैं क्या ये उस दिन हुआ था? वो फिर से क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. तो थर्ड पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ डिपार्चर ऑफ द चाइल्डहुड वाज द टाइम व्हेन ही फाउंड आउट दैट हिज माइंड, ही वाज द मास्टर ऑफ हिज माइंड. He could do whatever he wanted to do. He could use it in whichever way he wanted to. He could now produce his own thoughts and need not repeat those of others. A sense of individuality dawned at him. He wonders whether he lost his childhood on one of these days. Next, where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten place that's hidden in an infant's face. That's all I know. तो अब वो एंड पैराग्राफ में कंक्लूड करते हैं कि मुझे ये तो नहीं समझ आया मेरा चाइल्डहुड कहाँ गया, बट ये मुझे समझ आ रहा है कि हो सकता है वो किसी इन्फेंट के फेस में चला गया हो, यानी मेरा चाइल्डहुड किसी और का चाइल्डहुड बन गया हो और वो ट्रांसफर हो चुका हो. समझ आया? समझ आया. चलो, तो यहां पर वो क्या कहते हैं, यहाँ पर पोएट कहते हैं, in the last stanza the poet dwells on the problem where his childhood has disappeared. On the basis of his limited knowledge, the poet says that the childhood went to some forgotten place that was hidden in some infant's face. The poet implies that the adolescence follows childhood in the same way as a childhood had replaced infancy. It is the stage of process of life. Okay, of growing up. All right, is this poem clear, everybody? Now, this was a very beautiful poem written by Marcus Nathan. I am going to tell you few important parts which are going to be your poetic devices. So let's have a look at the poetic devices. Was that the day? So was that the day? When did my childhood go? This is all refrain. It is being repeated again and again ना, so it is refrain. Refrain. All right. Next, ऊपर वाले का तो मैंने फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ का आपको बता ही दिया था. नेक्स्ट, my mind is again alliteration. So what is my mind? My mind is alliteration. Just a second. My mind is alliteration. I don't want to write it again. Okay, next. Thoughts that. Thoughts that is also alliteration. Whichever way is also alliteration. You can all take it up. Okay, these are all alliterations. Okay, then this is individuality also. I said that it is individuality. So you write here individuality. It is also individuality because the poet now thought to think according to his own way. Right? Okay. This was the elusive nature of childhood, and the poetic theme, the rhyme of the poem is ABBCCD. Okay, this is the poetic scheme. ABBCCD, then EE, then further continues. FF, then G, then continues. All right, everybody. Understood? समझ आ गया? ओके, यस, हिपोक्रेसी है ना। अब हमारे देखो इंडिविजुअलिटी भी है इसमें दिखाई गई है, रैशनलिज्म भी दिखाया गया है। रैशनलिज्म जो है वो फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में दिखाया गया है, जब पोएट कहते हैं कि वो फाइंड आउट नहीं कर सकते हेल और हेवन को ज्योग्राफी के मैप पे। इंडिविजुअलिटी तब दिखाई जाती है जब उनको पता चलता है आई एम द मास्टर ऑफ माई माइंड। ओके, वो इंडिविजुअलिटी है। और हिपोक्रेसी तब दिखाई जाती है जब पता चलता है उनको दे ऑलवेज द एडल्ट्स ऑलवेज टॉक ऑफ लव बट दे आर नॉट सो लविंग। ऑल राइट एवरीबडी, this is beautifully written by Marcus Nathan. In the next video of the childhood, I am going to discuss the notes. Please take a screenshot of the poetic devices of the chapter. It's very important. In the next video, we are going to definitely discuss the notes of the chapter and you are going to enjoy. It's very easy poem. ठीक है, इसी के साथ आपका पोम वाला जो सिलेबस है वो सारा कंप्लीट हो चुका है। फादर टू द सन भी मैंने डाल रखा है, वो भी आप जाके देख सकते हो। इनफैक्ट पूरा सिलेबस इंग्लिश का हो चुका है। यू कैन गो चेक इट आउट इन द प्लेलिस्ट। बाय बाय, टेक केयर, सब्सक्राइब।